Today we want to show you how to open and close the 126 volts high voltage battery used on Mercedes S-Class W222 and A-Class W213. This is the 126V battery. It looks like this. On W222 you will find it near the trunk, while on the W213 it is in the impeller. First, remove these T25 screws. Done. This is how it looks inside. And these three connectors are used to get the voltage of the battery and pass it through the BMS. There are also contactor and current sensor. We take off these two wirings first. Pull down and it can be removed easily. Notice the usage of different colors. Don't put them back in the wrong position when reassembling. This is the BMS battery management system. This battery in total is 126 volts and made of small cells. Each cell has a range between 3.6 and 4.2 volts. Let's close it now. Now we put these cables back on it, carefully. Then put the board back on slowly. Now put the screws back on. Let's reconnect also the other connectors. Finished.